Norfolk morning. And if you notice from the last video, I'm starting in the same place. I'm going to go nip round the corner. Sun's just coming up. I want to try and get there before it gets too bright. Right, just get kitted up and we're off. There's a small planting over there, and it were on the side of that. I've just come from that clump of trees there. So I've come across, used this one as a bit of cover. I can't quite see it at the moment, so I'm just going to go around the edge, get myself set up and see if it else comes out. It's still quite dark, it's taken a while to get bright this morning. I think it's about 7:30. Sun's been up, but the sun comes up in about half an hour. So I'm going to have a look anyway. Whatever it was, can't see it now. I'll get a few minutes here. Two options, either follow wood up edge, cut across, see if I can see on the other side. Carry on down this way to another right to have a look, but if there's something bad here, I want to try and see wind's coming across this way, and I don't want to spook it. Also a mound here, might be worth getting onto the top of it to look down a little bit. I've got onto mound and I'm looking down, but can't see how it must have gone back into trees. So I think what I might do is work my way around this edge and wait up at that top edge. You never know, there might be somewhere around the corner. Right, sorry about that. my battery went flat, and I was just waiting to get into position. Basically, there was a youngster up here. I've got the first one. Well, I reckon I got the first one. It did run, but I think it's just dropped down behind cover here. The other one milled about, it hung about, but it was staying behind cover all the time. And I'm not confident enough for taking headshots, especially not with the ammo that I've got at the minute. It's just not grouping as close as I'd like. Good enough for a chest shot, but I've just taken the second shot on it, finally. It's taken probably, I think I've been filming 42 minutes, so it's probably been half an hour before I could get that one. Didn't see it run her out, so I think it's just dropped. So I'm just going to give it a minute. Well, I'll probably go and have a look at this first one, but it started raining. All my cameras are getting wet, so I'm going to try and I'm going to take them off rifle and off at front at sticks. The ones at front's knackered. So I don't think I got it on film. So if I did, you seen it. If not, let's see if we can find them. Right. Right, I think the first one's down here. That second one was milling about here just all the time, just won't leave. I can see a bit of an heat source just there. So, I could, oh there we go, somewhere there. So come on, let's go and have a look. Gotta love clear felt. Oh, maybe I got that wrong. Right. Found it. I wasn't quite looking far enough, and it was behind this bit of cover here, and I can see the other one just up there, so I'm going to get them up to the track. Get them sorted out. I can leave them up here and drive up in a minute, but I'm going to I think I'll put camera away for this one. My hands are freezing. I need to sort these out. What time are we on? Let's have a look. 9:15. We're out about 7ish this morning. So yeah, not bad. I think I'll have a walk back. But I'll see you later. Right, so there we go, a couple of young ones. I don't usually like filming my Gralloching because it's more like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm not the best and I don't do it that often, so got it done and dusted. I basically use all my deer myself. I don't shoot a great deal, so what I'll be doing is taking them home, put myself in a mincer, which is probably one of the best things I've ever done, making some burgers and sausages, stewing meat, make a few steaks. I always keep the back straps off as a nice piece. But I find that if you can, I know some people might say it's mincing, it might be, I don't know, a bit wasteful sort of thing, taking some of the best joints out, but I find that with mince, with stewing meats, back straps, turning them into burgers, the family uses it a lot more, rather than, I used to take big joints and just leave it as a leg joint and things like that. Like I say, I'm not necessarily a butcher, so it was difficult to say that they were well butchered, but I'd have it as a leg and then we just never end up using it. So like I say, break them down, mince them, burger them, sausage them, get used by the family, dish them out, perfect. So perfectly I can pick these up with a vehicle. So I'm going to see what Matt's up to. He got one last night, so we've got 3 so far. It's about 9:30. I'm going to have a steady wander back, keep rifle loaded up because you never know what else I might see, and try and catch up with something else. But I'm going to put cameras away because it's been raining and I don't want to trash them. So
We'll see you next time. If not, in a bit if we do all right.